Today we're tackling a common bathroom problem. A shower faucet that turns on easily but drags and gets really hard to turn off. That usually means one thing: the cartridge inside is worn out. I just picked up a Moen OEM replacement cartridge at Home Depot. It costs a little more than Amazon, but I wanted a real Moen part, not an aftermarket. OEM always lasts longer, and it's worth it. Tools and materials: Allen wrench, screwdrivers Phillips and flat, pliers, cartridge puller, optional, towel, Moen replacement cartridge, plumber's grease, cloth, drain cover. Step 1. Shut off the water. First, always shut off the water supply to your shower or to the whole house. I already did that. Then turn the faucet handle to drain out any remaining water. And here's a pro tip: close the tub/shower drain so you don't lose tiny screws or clips while working. Step 2. Remove the handle and trim. Your faucet handle is held in by a small Allen screw. Mine was a size 3 hex, but yours may vary. Remove it carefully, and remember why we close the drain. That screw is small. Next, pull off the handle in trim pieces. There's a Phillips screw inside that holds the escutcheon, so remove that as well. Keep everything in order so reassembly is easy. Step 3. Access and remove the cartridge. Now we're looking at the cartridge. Notice the H and C markings, hot and cold. You'll need those later so you don't accidentally reverse hot/cold. There's a retaining clip holding the cartridge in place. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pull it out. Sometimes these cartridges are stuck. Moen includes a small plastic tool in the box. It fits right on the stem and lets you twist the cartridge free. Don't throw that tool away. Keep it for future repairs. Once loose, pull the cartridge straight out. Step 4. Clean the valve body. Check inside the valve for any buildup or debris. Mine had a little corrosion, so I use a Scotch-Brite pad to gently clean it out. That helps the new cartridge seat properly and prevents leaks. Step 5. Prep and install the new cartridge. The new Moen cartridge comes with a little packet of lube. Spread a thin layer on the cartridge O-rings and on the inside of the valve body. This helps it slide in smoothly and prevents damage. Make sure the H and C marking is facing the correct way, hot on the left, cold on the right. Push it in until it clicks into place. Then reinstall the retaining clip. Step 6. Reassemble the trim. Slide the collar and trim pieces back on. Reattach the escutcheon, and then reinstall the handle with the Allen screw. Step 7. Test it out. Turn the water supply back on and test your faucet. Wow, night and day difference. The handle now turns smooth as butter. No more stiffness, no leaks, and I can even turn it with one finger. Totally worth the $55 for a brand new cartridge. That's it. If your Moen shower faucet is hard to turn or leaking, replacing the cartridge is a DIY project anyone can handle. If this video helped you out, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever had a shower faucet give you trouble. Thanks for watching. See you next time for another plumbing fix.